Hi friends, I hope you've had a wonderful weekend. Right now I'm going to show you how to add yourself into your teacher's Playposit classroom. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to start typing playposit.com. Okay? Playposit.com. This is in your instructions in Schoology. Once you get here, it's going to have this screen and you're going to want to hit in log in. Okay, you don't have to do sign up. You can just go to log in, because what you're going to do is you're going to sign in with Google. All right, I am going to use one of my children's emails here so that way we can see what it looks like from a student. All right, so you're going to start typing in. This is really weird here. All right, so you're going to log in with your Google here. Okay. And you are going to say what best describes you. You are a student. Okay. And then you don't have anything yet. So you're going to have to join your teacher's class. So right here it says join new class. Your teacher on Schoology has given you a class code. Okay, so let's see if I can find that class code. Oops. Right here. So for mine, it's right here. Here's that class code. You can actually copy that and go back over to Playposit, put it in, search for it, and then this is what mine looks like. Okay, and then I hit join class, and then now you are part of that class. Make sure you join your teacher's class before you do the Playposit. If you have any questions, send us an email. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.